Today, we're diving into the world of server memory upgrades with the ATEX 64GB kit, tailored specifically for the HP ProLiant ML110 Gen10. This kit boasts two 32GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM modules, promising top-notch performance and reliability for your server setup. With a memory speed of 2,933 MHz, it ensures smooth multitasking and efficient data processing. One standout feature of this memory kit is its ECC registered design, enhancing error detection and correction capabilities, crucial for mission-critical applications where data integrity is paramount. Plus, with a low voltage of 1.2 V, it maintains energy efficiency without compromising on performance. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility and plug-and-play design. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a tech enthusiast diving into server upgrades for the first time, you'll appreciate the seamless integration this kit offers. ATEX backs up its product with a genuine lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality. Plus, the brand's dedication to maximum compatibility ensures that this memory kit is optimized for your HP ProLiant ML110 Gen10, delivering the performance boost you need without any compatibility hassles. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate the performance and reliability of your HP ProLiant ML110 Gen10 server, the ATEX 64GB kit stands out as the ideal choice. With its ECC registered design, high-speed performance, and hassle-free installation, it's a must-have upgrade for any server enthusiast or professional. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.